Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. Google just launched Gemini 3 Deep Think, a new reasoning mode for Ultra subscribers that uses parallel processing to explore multiple solutions at once. It just hit an unprecedented 45% on ARC AGI, a benchmark that measures how close AI is to human-level reasoning. JetBrains just entered the Agentic AI race with Air, a preview IDE that lets you run multiple AI agents in parallel on complex coding tasks. They're also opening up their existing IDEs to any AI through a new open standard called the Agent Client Protocol, or ACP. Your AI assistant can now control Windows 11 directly. Microsoft just added native support for the Model Context Protocol, an open standard that securely connects AI agents to File Explorer and settings. Windsurf IDE now integrates OpenAI's GPT-5.1 Codex Max, a frontier agentic coding model that can autonomously handle long-horizon tasks, and is offering the low reasoning tier free to paid users. The model features compaction for managing 1 million token contexts and runs 30% more efficiently than previous versions. Chinese delivery giant Meituan just open-sourced LongCat-Image, a 6 billion parameter text-to-image model that punches way above its weight class, delivering photorealistic visuals and the best Chinese text rendering of any open-source model. Amazon Nova Act just went live for everyone, letting developers build fleets of AI agents that can automate browser workflows with over 90% reliability by training them with reinforcement learning in simulated WebGem environments. Microsoft just open-sourced VibeVoice Real-Time 0.5b. It's a 500 million parameter text-to-speech model that generates voice as you type with only 300 milliseconds delay, enabling real-time spoken AI on consumer GPUs. Google Research unveiled Titans, an architecture scaling past 2 million tokens with a surprise-driven deep neural memory that learns as it runs, delivering transformer performance at RNN speeds. Hugging Face just launched a native Swift client for Apple developers. It provides direct access to over 700,000 AI models from iOS and macOS apps. No more Python bridges needed. Meta just released the Wearables Device Access Toolkit, letting developers finally tap into the camera and audio on Ray-Ban smart glasses to build their own hands-free apps. It streams video at up to 720p 30 FPS over Bluetooth through the Meta AI app, but it's still a preview, so you can build and test now but can't publish until 2026. Guide Labs just introduced Causal diffusion language models that match GPT's scaling laws using block causal attention, enabling interpretable multi-token generation at half the cost of previous diffusion models. XA just confirmed they're training Grok 5 on Colossus 2, a 200,000 GPU supercluster in Memphis that's now the world's most powerful AI supercomputer. The company also shipped major imaging updates to the Grok app, adding faster video generation and HD upscaling. ByteDance's TRAE IDE just added custom AI models and LynxJS mobile preview, letting its AI agent autonomously build and preview native iOS and Android apps from scratch. Cerebras just published 9 papers at NeurIPS showing smaller AI models can actually beat much larger ones, with a 32 billion parameter model outperforming a 2 billion rival while running 3.6 times faster and cutting token usage up to 3-fold. That's it for today's Daily Epoch AI news. Come back next week for more industry updates.